Good morning. Myself Manoj, CEO of SUNDAR TECHNO Solutions. Today we will be seeing a wonderful theme called KVM extender. So this is the KVM extender. These two units together are called the KVM extenders. Okay. So I'll briefly explain about each of them in the KVM extenders. So this is the emitter, KVM extender emitter from SUNDAR TECHNO Solutions. And this is the KVM remote unit from SUNDAR TECHNO Solutions. So you can see most of the time what will happen, the server will be in one place and you want to transmit the data to a remote area. So the data means the display from the VGA output from the server, or the USB data, or keyboard data, mouse data, then audio in, audio out. Or you want to transmit to a faraway place. Say, suppose you want to transmit to 50 meters, or 100 meters, 150 meters, up to 200 meters. These units can be far away. So these units can transmit the data from a server or any PC or any industrial PC or any consumer grade PC to a 200 meter far away place, and there is absolutely no programming required, only connection is required, and these are all pre-programmed here, and absolutely no programming is required here. So I will briefly explain the difference between these two, and these are this thing. We have to power it. We have to power this unit here using AC cord to 230 volt and switch on. Then these LEDs will glow. Here the LEDs are there, and after this LEDs glow, you will get a VGA output here. You can immediately give a VGA to a monitor here, local monitor, to see what is happening, and you can also have a VGA output. This thing VGA in you can connect to the server from the server, and then you can have this thing local USB, local keyboard, local audio in, local audio out, everything you can have. And this, there's a UTP port here. In this UTP port you need to insert one cable with Cat6 cable. So if you use Cat6 or Cat7 cable, then an interface with this receiver at the far end place, 200 meters away, this can and connect these two. Then here you get this VGA out and audio output, and audio input also you can give here, and also you will get here this thing, 4 USB ports where you can give the keyboards, mouse, or any other data you want to transmit from this center to the receiver. You can receive here, or you can transmit to the receiver or to the server ultimately. So these are the basics, and we will give a power adapter to you to power this unit. Unlike this is directly powered in the AC, which require a lot of power. So this can be powered from a AC to DC adapter using a power adapter from the shock and this thing surge proof preventer type of power adapter from this. And here also LEDs are there. These 4 sets of LEDs will synchronize each other and blink. If all the 4 LEDs are synchronizing in a proper way, that means this is start working. All the parameters are getting transmitted. So now I will briefly show you this is the theory, and now I will briefly show you the actual demonstration of the working of the KVM extender, or KVM booster you call it. So let us see that in our lab. This is the schematic diagram of whatever I explained. This is the server, and the server, it can be a server, it can be an industrial PC, it can be a consumer grade PC, whatever it is. And this is the transmitter which I explained, our SUNDAR TECHNO Solutions transmitter, KVM extender. And locally you can have a VGA output, and then there is a USB wire you have to connect from server, and there is a VGA cable you have to connect, and from this transmitter also you can connect the keyboard, mouse and audio output. And from here you can have one UTP cable, Cat6, Cat7 UTP cable, which is having very good baud rate, and this can transmit the data up to 200 meters. And here you have the remote unit, which is also called the receiver, and in receiver you can have a VGA output. Whatever you are seeing here, you can see here up to 200 meters. Also you can have an audio output. Whatever you are talking here, you can hear here in this side, and also you can have a keyboard input and have a mouse input, and then remotely you can control this server. What should be happening to the server, because if you see very large servers of IBM of big size, they need air conditioning, and then they will be located in an air conditioned room, and this actual wherever the people are sitting in the field, they'll be little far away, not air conditioned rooms. So that will be some 200 meters, 100 meters, 50 meters away. So that can be connected through a LAN cable. So that in the field, by seeing the actual parameters using eyes, operators can do the change the settings here, like in SCADA, also in power plant, in substations, in railway stations, metro stations, also coal mines and various places. This can be used ideally for the process plants. So now let us go actually to our lab. This is our lab, and in the lab, this is an industrial fanless PC. This is an industrial fanless PC, and this is we are considering it as a server. This industrial panel PC is powered to the power, and it's working now. And this industrial PC is connected through USB to here. So all the data from this PC is going to here, and also there's a VGA, local VGA from this going here, and there's audio out from this server is connected to the sender. Okay, and then VGA also connected here, and another VGA is connected to this display. This is powered using a power source. Okay, this is powered using a power source. Okay, and you can see here a lot of link, video, power, etc. Okay, and then this is the distance, 200 meters distance. This is connected through a very large LAN cable or Ethernet cable or UTP cable of a Cat6 or Cat7 cable. So this is actually not 200 meters. As of now, I don't have 200 meters, but earlier we have tried with a 200 meter cable. This is 20 meter cable, but in fact you can transmit the data to 200 meters. And here this data is coming, and this remote unit is processing this data and giving VG out. You can see whatever we are seeing there, we are seeing this remote unit also 200 meters away. And here we can have an audio. So whatever being talked or running music or running some instruction there, we can see that instructions here. And also we can have the keyboard mouse we can have here. So I can type from here and it will be typed in the server. For example, now this thing. Now I will try to run one. I will try to open Sundar Techno Solutions website in remote site. Okay. So let us see. So I'm going to Google, and this is the Sundar Techno Solutions website. I'm opening here. Okay, I'm opening here. Okay, so now the same thing is open there. Okay, now I'm going to the YouTube of Sundar Techno Solutions. Okay, now we are into the Sundar Techno Solutions video. Okay, this is the Sundar Techno Solution video. It is 200 meters away from the server. Okay, now I am running this Sundar Techno Solutions video here. So now you can see in the server whatever files are there, I can access this, and then the SCADA, remote SCADA things I can access here and run it. So this is the advantage. You need not be actually near the server. And this KVM extenders can be used in Windows platform, Linux platform, Android platform, and Solaris platform of some microsystems. So all these platforms can be used for this using this KVM extenders. It is platform independent. So in case you have more queries, please write back to me at my email ID given at the end of this video. Thank you.